The game is the same. 100-yard field, 4 quarters of 12 minutes, touchdowns of 6 points. Most of the rules were standardized in the 1880s, with the biggest update about the forward pass in the 1950s. The game is the same, but the players are better. And the players are better because training is better. Training is more active and more proactive. Learning is also the same. Numbers add up the way they always have, and gravity acts as it always has, though new discoveries continue to update knowledge. Learning is the same, but the skills necessary to succeed have changed with the times and with technology. Just like training, learning can and must advance. Learning can become more active and more proactive. For football, technology has changed training forever, from computer-aided analysis to more advanced equipment that trains and tests the performance capacity of players. Team drills are better. Collaboration is deeper. Injury prevention and rehabilitation are like never before. For education, technology has the ability to enhance the way students learn. Today's employers demand 21st century skills, which demands a new playbook. Studies show that the top skills necessary for future success, not yet adequately learned, are critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. These applied skills are higher value skills that are more active in their application. A more active form of learning enhances the growth of those skills. Active learning is about enhancing how learning takes place. Stronger learning yields stronger results. The basic ideas are simple. Stronger teacher involvement de-emphasizes rote learning for a more personalized experience. Stronger student engagement makes every student a more active part of the process. Stronger class formatting turns a static environment into one that encourages participation and meaningful skill-based learning. Technology is also important because brain science shows that students learn best with access to a range of tools. Movement is another key component to active learning. Fluid transitions are made between a traditional classroom setup, then to small groups, and then to a larger discussion arrangement. This type of sequence provides multiple teaching modes. Peer-to-peer learning makes the students more active and helps them think more critically. Instructors visit for more consultative help rather than an ordinary stand-and-deliver lecture style. Every seat is the best seat and everyone is in the arena. This isn't just theory. Real schools, high schools, and universities across the U.S. have already enhanced their own learning methods through active learning. In one Michigan high school, 80% of students reported improved concentration and focus, and 97% said it improved their overall classroom experience. A Georgetown University study showed an improvement of 3 to 4% in biology final exam test scores for each of 3 years. A Carteret, New Jersey middle school reached the adequate yearly progress level for the first time since mandatory state testing went into effect, with 2 straight years of declining suspension and absentee rates. Eastfield College in Dallas saw math retention grow from between 40 to 50% to between 75 and 80%. Plus, the dropout rate decreased, with 90% returning for the second semester. We are all Viking strong. Now we will become stronger, with stronger scholars, stronger teachers, and stronger learning. The most noticeable examples of a more active learning environment will be the physical changes. First, the classrooms will become more fluid learning systems. Mobile furnishings, smartboards, and whiteboards, all on wheels, allow the students and the teacher to alter how the class is shaped to shape the teaching. Our strong teachers can then become stronger teachers, equipped with enhancements made for results. Libraries will no longer be just for storage and reading. They will be enhanced to become multi-dimensional and multi-use learning spaces featuring the Distance Learning Lab with video conferencing equipment, the Weird Science Lab, a hands-on space complete with kits and equipment for research and exploration, the Video Vault and Beatbox with cameras, green screen, digital instruments and mixing equipment to put creativity, music, and graphics into learning. And the Tinkerspace with robotics and Tetrix kits to build and prototype. In addition, a Fab Lab combines many technologies such as 3D printers, a laser engraver, CAD-level computers and design software, vinyl cutter, and a CNC router. That's a computer-controlled cutting machine. All this lets students immerse themselves in the act of practical application and engineered engagement. These are just tools. Yet these stronger tools and proven techniques will create a more active learning environment that more actively involves the students. This way, we will better prepare them for their tomorrows. We will better train them for the 21st century skills that employers demand. And we will help them become stronger scholars, stronger competitors, stronger creators, stronger collaborators, and stronger humanitarians. The strong get stronger. Together, that's Viking Strong.